This is the air impact trench you need because it comes with everything you need. This M7 kit comes with a pneumatic impact trench with a 1/4 drive. The tool set also includes 6 metric impact sockets from 9mm to 14mm. It also comes with 2 extension balls, a universal joint, 1/4 air inlet, and plastic tool case. Now let's talk about this tool's power. It delivers a forward torque of 45 foot-pound and a reverse torque of 50 foot-pound, and its twin-dog clutch mechanism is strong and durable. Are you ready for the air impact trench that stands up to what you put it through? JB Tools has the best price on this pneumatic die grinder. We're proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of M7 air tools. Shop with us and save.